Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab Active3 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the icon changer app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the X icon changer app. And now we should get this application, so tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap the open button just to open the app. And now we'll see here all of the available applications on our device, which icons we could change. For example, let's go back to the application. For example, let's switch the contacts icon. Here we could rename it. We got here the library with different folders with the icons. We could use them, or also we could use photo from our device gallery or to take a picture in camera app. Let's select one from the similar to the contacts icon. Tap to OK on the right upper corner and wait a little bit. Now we should just skip the ads here, so just wait a couple of seconds. Now click here to add button and we could see that the shortcut to contacts added to home screen. So now we could go to the desktop or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's just check our new contacts icon and that's how it looks. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.